Welcome back, everyone. Are you making money already from the tips of my previous video? Good. Because in today's video, we're exploring the best AI tools that can help you make even more money today. These aren't just theoretical ideas. They're practical, actionable tools designed to boost your income efficiently. Want to know how to make money while you sleep? Keep watching until the end for all the AI tools that can generate passive income without you lifting a finger. Stay tuned, because at the end, I'll reveal a game-changing tool for generating passive income with minimal effort. AI tool. Number 1. ChatGPT for freelance writing. Our first tool is ChatGPT, an incredibly versatile AI for freelance writers. Whether you're crafting blog posts, articles, or even entire ebooks, ChatGPT can streamline your writing process. Imagine being able to produce high-quality drafts in a fraction of the time. Here's how you can use it. Simply input your topic or key points, and ChatGPT generates a well-structured draft for you. This allows you to take on more projects and increase your earnings. Freelancers using ChatGPT report earning between $500 and $2,000 a month by enhancing their productivity and client base. You can sell your work online or make an account on Fiverr or Upwork to complete work for other people and get paid. Easy as that, baby. You think this was it? Stick around to see how AI can help you land more clients and double your income. Tool number 2, Jasper AI for affiliate marketing. Next up is Jasper AI, a powerhouse for affiliate marketers. Jasper excels at crafting persuasive marketing copy ideal for product reviews, email campaigns, and promotional content. If you're in affiliate marketing, Jasper can help you create high-converting content quickly. For example, input key features of a product, and Jasper will generate a compelling review or sales page that drives clicks. Effective content can significantly boost your commissions. Affiliate marketers using Jasper have seen earnings from $500 to $3,000 a month based on their strategies and audience engagement. Pro tip: combine Jasper's copywriting capabilities with an effective SEO strategy to maximize your content's reach and impact. Curious about how to supercharge your online earnings? Keep watching to see how AI can transform your income. Tool number 3, Midjourney for selling digital art. If you're into art or you just want to make a bunch of money, Midjourney is a must-try. This AI tool generates stunning digital artwork from text prompts, making it perfect for creating unique designs for prints and merchandise. Even if you're not a seasoned designer, Midjourney makes it easy to produce eye-catching art. You can sell these designs on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Society6. With Midjourney, you can create and sell high-quality art, potentially earning $300 to $1,500 a month. The key is to focus on niche designs and stay ahead of trends. Pro tip: start selling your pictures on sites like Unsplash and Getty Images and get paid for every artwork made by AI. For example, Getty Images pays from a few dollars up to a few $100s per picture or video. Tool number 4, Synthesia for professional video creation. Now let's talk about Synthesia, an AI tool that creates professional videos using avatars. This tool is perfect for producing explainer videos, training content, or promotional material without needing expensive equipment. You see them all over the internet, influencers. Now you can create your own personal influencer, but this time, you are the one getting paid. With Synthesia, you can input your script and generate polished videos quickly. This is ideal for YouTube creators or businesses needing video content. Many users report earning $500 to $2,000 a month by offering video services or creating digital courses. You can come up with a lot of ideas. Create a character, start making videos, and upload them on TikTok and get paid per view, or even get sponsor deals. Pro tip: Customize your avatars and scripts to align with your brand's voice and message for the best results. We saved the best for last, so make sure to keep watching. But first, let's go to number 5. Tool number 5, Copy.ai for scalable marketing campaigns. Finally, let's explore Copy.ai. This AI tool is fantastic for generating marketing copy for ads, landing pages, and emails. If you're managing multiple marketing projects, Copy.ai can help you produce compelling content quickly and efficiently. With Copy.ai, you can handle more projects and scale your business without additional effort. Many marketing professionals use Copy.ai to boost their productivity and earn $500 to $2,000 plus a month, depending on their client base and project volume. But also with this tool, even like all the other tools I told you about, you can sign up with platforms like Fiverr and Upwork to start making money today by completing these tasks for others. Of course, they don't know about these hacks I just told you. Now you can use that to your advantage. Finally, the crème de la crème. This is what you are waiting for. The bonus tool. AI-powered deepfake video creation for personalized marketing campaigns. Ready for a game changer? Meet DeepBrain, an AI tool that takes deepfake technology and applies it to personalized marketing campaigns. This might sound futuristic, but it's real, and it's revolutionizing how brands connect with their audience. With DeepBrain, you can create hyper-personalized video ads where AI can superimpose your face or an influencer's face onto video content, making it feel like a direct message just for the viewer. Imagine a brand that wants to reach out to thousands of customers with a personalized video message. Using DeepBrain, you can create videos where the AI tailors messages to individual customers, making it look like a unique video just for them. This technology is incredibly engaging and can drastically improve conversion rates for marketing campaigns. With the power to create personalized ads at scale, you could charge premium prices for these tailored video campaigns, potentially earning $5,000 to $20,000 plus a month, depending on your client base and the volume of content produced. Pro tip: focus on niche markets or industries where personalized video content can provide the highest value. Offer customization options and track campaign results to showcase the effectiveness of your deepfake videos. So, there you have it. 5 powerful AI tools and a bonus tool that can help you make money today. Whether you're creating content, designing art, or automating video production, these tools are designed to boost your income and streamline your efforts. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on making money with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.